Got the boogie van division. The whole van division in the car. That can only mean one thing.
Going to get a Fiat.
Is it a Fiat Multipla? That's a van.
Oh, it's that Renault boogie van thing.
Oh, what was that? It's the Aventine.
Yeah, with the bubble windows and the shag carpet.
Yeah.
The fuck me now rug in the back. You gotta throw that rug in the back of your Renault.
You got the fuck me now rug?
Yeah, you're missing out.
It's a French accessory. So, Kyle's been shopping, and we're gonna go pick up the van. Ashley got a bit ambushed on this. He thought he was here to do
blindsided.
Blindsided.
Yeah, what the fuck are you doing?
He's just like, whatever, man. Whatever's going on. The fellow selling the van is a gentleman named Tom, who used to own a do-it-yourself garage in town that I used to hang out at and rent by the week when I was a kid. It was called Desro Automotive, and anybody from Edmonton probably has heard of it. But anyway, it was a really fun place to hang out, and you know, I use the word work kind of loosely, but I used to rent by the week, and I had a little racket where I'd paint any car with bodywork for $1,000. So, and it was $200 a week to rent it, and another couple hundred in materials. So that was my racket. So anyway, I hung around there for a long time, but I haven't seen Tom in many years. And Tom is he was a big Mopar guy back then and even now. So anyway, it's going to be fun to see Tom. He is just a fantastic man and a great mechanic. Tom finally sold the business, and he's retired now, and he's getting rid of most of his irredeemable garbage, so he knows who to call. And so here we go. Yeah, I'd like to actually have Tom out to my house, and maybe we can get to shoot the shit with him, because I'm sure some of Tom's stories would be pretty hilarious. And, oh man, like when you consider that most actual body shops could not do good work, the work that would come out of that place was, and I include myself in there, like when you would, I mean, that's the thing, is they would rent that bay to anybody, whether you knew what you were doing or not, and you wanted to paint your car, you could go in there and do it. So I mean, some of the work was, I mean, there are no words, really. I don't even know the words for it. But funny, man, and drunk, boy, we used to drink a lot. So, and we would sit there after it closed. I remember going in there once, and there was these stripes all over the floor, and Tom and his buddy had hitched their tow trucks to each other and had a tug of war at like midnight, and the whole place just, I think they set the fire alarms off and everything. But anyway, there was shit like that. I bought my very first motorcycle from Tom, a Honda CA 160, and Tom rides, I don't know what he rides now, but he used to ride a Moto Guzzi Police Special mid-70s, really cool bike. But anyway, he ran that place, and everything was above board. It was really amazing, and he always had the respect of anybody who was in there, because you didn't fuck around, you know. I never saw anybody push anybody else around. Like, it was, because you just knew Tom would break you in half and put you in a Slurpee cup and put you in the garbage can. So it was really, it's going to be really fun. I hope that he's got a minute to bullshit, and if not, we'll have Tom over one of these days. I'm sure this is a gem, and there's supposedly treasures inside.
Yeah, it withholds booty. It's like a treasure chest.
Or trailer probably isn't seeing these speeds.
Yeah, so not behind my
like
cars.
60 miles an hour.
Not behind Steven's old van either. Yeah.
The trailer's back there.
Trailer's
What the fuck?
Just bouncing off the ground back there. Skipping along on all the bold ass separating tires on it. Oh, hey, Kyle.
It looks not bad.
Looking not too bad.
Looking pretty good. I think it's an 8.
What, 68?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. No, just full passing. Fucking
I can
jammer
back
in
this
there.
old jalopolous through those ruts.
Yeah, fucking
You don't mind?
I don't give a shit.
I don't give 2 flying
I don't
fucks.
give any fucks at all.
That trailer
Trailer is fucking
That fucking
hammered.
trailer can suck a fat one is what it can do.
Yeah. Do whatever you gotta do. Sweet.
Okay.
Heavy old girl. I'm glad we're doing this with an electric one.
Remember on the street, those wheels to the left a little bit.
To the left.
Yeah, it's doing really good. Now we're home free.
Okay.
That's great.
Seems odd.
Yeah,
that you
that's
could
about
run
right
over your
there.
Foot, eh?
Huh?
Seems odd that you could run over your foot while you're steering.
Yeah, I think that's about right. Let's tie her down.
That was almost horrible.
Are these not? Are those special?
What? The wheels?
Yeah.
Those are police wheels, aren't they, Tom?
Yeah, I'm keeping the police wheels.
Oh, I see.
Only Kyle has to put mags on his van before he even puts it on the trailer.
Did that with the death dealer too.
Right, that looks great. Well, there we go. Another one saved.
Well, at least it's not getting crushed.
Yeah. It's going to Kyle's place of automobiles. Sweet.
Where are you, big gun?
Well, Kyle. D-Day.
D-Day. Delivery day. Not to the new owner.
That's right. Being delivered to the next storage facility.
Facility.
Also not within sight of Kyle's wife.
Yeah. Not like that.
Kim, you're not watching this, right?
I
Kim,
offered to
Kim never
bring her.
watches this. Okay, but so what you're telling me, she wasn't interested in
No,
seeing
she
your
had
van.
she had other things to do.
Right on, buddy.
I like the big bumper.
Made from the stock one.
Okay, we got everything to get this thing off of here then?
Just got to pull the ones that I used to chalk the tire. Did I put two on that side too?
Yeah, there's two here, yeah. Who's driving? You want me to drive? You'll drive. Are the wheels straight to each other? This one.
Sure.
Okay, how are you feeling?
Good.
Back tire's perfect. Just keep your front one lined up with that and you're going to be fine. Okay. Perfect, and
Off.
hey.
Beauty. Couldn't have been any better if we planned it.
Yeah. Again, a vehicle is very easy to run over your own foot with it, but
I was walking.
yeah, you were watching.
So that came off absolutely wonderful.
That's but we all got to say, how about that GMC plow truck? That thing, how can you not like that? That's like almost on the Alberta flag, that thing. What are you trying to do here? Holy cow, this is scary.
Some fuckery afoot.
But you won't go? What about the small end? Seriously, there's no way in this thing?
There's a handle inside. I'll just reach in and grab it.
Okay. Well, lots of treasures for Kyle here.
So far, yeah, Cooper came with a bunch of shit. You're bad.
This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.